Hello guys, this is Ken. So in this video I would like to explain how to enable the key button of W and control the character to jump. So far I can press only the space bar to enable the character jump. And I also have my player control script, and also I have the player control ready. So what I can do is that I can just simply double click that one. So if you haven't created that, right click and then go to create and then go to all the way down, and we can find input actions here. So since I already created that one, and then we can go to jump, because there is already one bending of the space, we can just create a new bending. We can hit W, yeah, and then make another bending. Up arrow doesn't work, and then in this case we can just come here and then yeah, American layout, upper arrow. Great. And also before, let's save the asset before closing. So now let's have a try. So see, now we can work properly. And then if I'm pressing spacebar and I press W key and then upper arrow, it is all working. Alright, that's everything. So I will keep the script of the player control on the description below, and thanks so much